Welcome to our YouTube video on how to check your region on Instagram. Updated. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to easily find out your region on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Edit Profile from the menu options. Once you have accessed the Edit Profile section, scroll down until you find the Contact Options tab. Tap on it to reveal more options. From there, select Business Address. Under the Business Address section, tap on City Town. This is where you can input your location information, including your city or town. Make sure to enter the correct details to accurately display your region on your Instagram profile. By following these simple steps, you can easily check and update your region on Instagram. This information is important for connecting with users in your area and for businesses looking to target specific regions. Thank you for watching our video on how to check your region on Instagram. Updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.